you. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. To Senator Manny Pacquiao, to the Ilorde family, Governor Chavit Singson, Mayor Monica Pentevilla, Club Chairman Francis Rivera, all our dignitaries, all our guests, media friends, all boxing champions, good evening. My warmest greetings to the Ilorde family, Senator Manny Pacquiao, and the entire boxing community gathered here tonight for the third Pacquiao Ilorde Boxing Awards Banquet of Champions. Boxing is the bedrock of Filipino pride. It demands an iron will, relentless discipline, and the courage to rise after every setback. This evening, we honor our boxers of the year, Melvin Jerusalem and Pedro Taduran, our SEA Games medalists, and the legends who built the sport's storied history. You embody the true fighting spirit of our nation, resilient, fearless, and unwavering. The Philippine Sports Commission remains steadfast in its commitment to our boxers. We are here to ensure that every Filipino athlete receives the support they need to excel on the world stage, from grassroots development to professional ranks. You are the country's victories and triumphs bring pride to every Filipino. I was just talking to Senator Pacquiao a while ago, and he was pointing out his plans for an integrated and comprehensive national grassroots program for boxing. So I know that our President Marcos Manalo is here, so we really have to fast track this development, President Marcos. The best way to fast track this is to do an aggressive grassroots program in the provinces. And we are doing that through regional training centers, not just in boxing, also in golf, also in archery, and all other sports under the Philippine Sports Commission. As a matter of fact, on May 18, we will launch the first ever national grassroots program for golf. We have identified government-owned golf courses so that we can allow young people 18 and below to play golf for free. And we will launch that on May 18. So tonight, we also pay tribute to Gabriel Flash Ilorde, a true icon of Philippine boxing and enshrinee of the Philippine Sports Hall of Fame. Flash Ilorde was more than a champion in the ring. He was a symbol of excellence, discipline, and heart. His remarkable career elevated Filipino boxing onto the global stage and inspired generations to believe in greatness is within reach. Through the years, the Ilorde family has faithfully carried forward this legacy. With dedication and passion, they have nurtured champions, strengthened professional boxing, and opened doors for countless young Filipinos to pursue their dreams. We also recognize Senator Manny Pacquiao, whose extraordinary journey from humble beginnings to global icon has inspired millions of Filipinos. Beyond his unparalleled achievements in the ring, his enduring commitment to uplifting the sport and supporting the next generation of fighters continues to shape the future of Philippine boxing. To our promoters, trainers, and benefactors, maraming salamat po for your tireless effort. Without you, the success of our athletes would not be possible. To all the awardees, congratulations! At maraming salamat din po sa award na ginawad ninyo sa akin bilang chairman ng PSC, the Distinguished Ring Award. Let us continue to stand united in our mission to elevate Philippine sports dahil yan po ang inaasahan ng mga kabataang Pilipino. Kailangan po suportahan natin sila at gagawin po yan ng Philippine Sports Commission. once again, congratulations to the Elorde family and Senator Manny Pacquiao. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Good evening.
Thank you.